Okay, how to solve this quadratic equation? Okay, so we have two brackets. Is equals to -10. The first thing you need to do is to do the rainbow, right? We expand this thing first, because for all quadratic equation, when you need to solve the quadratic equation, you need to let it equals to 0. Okay, but this is not 0, right? So you need to make it 0. How to do that? We expand first and see what happens, right? So what's x times x? Expand, I get x squared. Next one, x times -2 minus 2x. 5 times x plus 5x. And 5 times negative 10 equals to -10. Okay, can you see that? Expand this. Then we evaluate this part. Minus 2x plus 5x equals to
7.
Yep. Wrong. Oh, lucky I spot. Okay, one is a -2 and the other is a +5. So do you get? Try again. Positive plus 3. Correct. Okay, so -10 and you bring the -10 to the other side, become +10 equals to 0. Right? Okay, can you see the -10 go there, so become +10, right? So what's -10 plus 10? It's gone, right? Neutralize. So I get x squared plus 3x equals to 0 because this part is 0, so I don't write it out. Okay, equals 0. Now how do I factorize x squared plus 3x? Factorize. What can I take out from these two? What's common between these two? X. Yeah, good. So x, then from x squared will be left with x, and then this is just a 3 equals to 0. Now can you see that I have two brackets? What can I do now? I can split into 2. So either x equals to 0, because for this equation to equal 0, either one of them has to be 0. So x equals 0 or x plus 3 equals to 0. So if x plus 3 equals 0, x equals to -3. So my answers solve because they asked me to solve. So x equals to 0 or x equals to -3. It's easy. Okay, let's say only do one more. Let's do one more. Over here. Okay, so these are common. This is quite a common question. Right? Very common. Let's try to solve. So given that m squared minus 2m equals to n squared plus 2m, find the value of m minus n. So we just take a look here. This is m and this is n. Left hand side are all m's, right hand side are all n's. What do you think we should do? Very good. Okay, so let's start by factorizing. See, at this point of time, I still don't know how to do. I just try something. You know what I mean? Because when I go to look at this equation, right, I have no solution. No. But let's try and see what happens, right? So let's take out m here. So n minus 2 equals to, I take out n, so left with n plus 2. Oh, find the value of m minus n. M squared minus r. So is there anything we can do here? Again, nothing, right? Okay, so maybe this is not the right thing to do. Okay, let's try another way. What we can do is we can shift the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, let's try see what happens. Minus 2m minus n squared minus 2n equals to 0. Okay, now does this look familiar? This is what we call the factorized by grouping. Because how many terms are there? 4. There are 4 terms. Okay, let's try and group. See what we can do with the grouping. So let's rearrange. So n squared minus n squared minus 2n minus 2n equals to 0. Right? So here n minus n. Okay, looking at this 2 only. N plus n is equals to minus 2 n plus, oops, wrong, erase, minus 2 n plus n equals to 0. Okay, how come? Because this m squared minus n squared factorized to become n minus n plus n, right? This is the three special algebraic formula that you memorize, correct? Okay, then this one, negative 2m negative 2n. What did I do? I took out negative 2, so left with m plus n. Right, so next, I have something in common again. Look at this, m plus n and the m plus n, so I can extract. Right, so let's extract, see what happens. Take out n plus n, so left with n minus n. Okay, and on the right hand side, minus 2 equals to 0. So can you see now I have two brackets, similar situation to just now the quadratic equation. So either m plus n equals 0 or n minus 2 equals to 0. Correct? Because it's split into two. We have two brackets, quadratic equation, so this equals 0. So now our objective is to find n minus n. So we will proceed from the right hand side. N minus n equals to 2. I'll say just 2. Why? Because I take the negative 2, let's go to the right hand side. So n minus n equals to 2. Right? Okay, let me say first.